Okay, today we are going to be using Mind Map. This is Mind Map, and we are going to be doing an organizational chart. And today our topic is soil. So we have different kinds of soil. Here's the middle part of we have soil, and we're going to break it down into different categories. So this is subcategory category 1. We're gonna break down the first subcategory 1, which is different kinds of soil. And then we're gonna break it down. So we have soil 1. And then here's all for where the students can put all the information about soil 1 in there. And so it breaks it down so we can even do another information section on soil 1. Here's the next category. We could do where good places to grow or plant soil. And here's where all the information, we could do soil 2. This is information about planting. And we can break it down even further with another section on planting. And you can do a third category on good places, good things to grow, or what would be good to grow in each soil. So you can have, information on what to grow in each. We can do another section, another subsection on growing in each different kind of soil. So now we have our main category, which is soil, and then we have our 3 subsections on each soil. We have our first one, which is different kinds of soil, our second one, which is good places to plant soil, and then we have our third topic, which is good things to grow in each of the soil. And that is one way to use MindMeister.